This is a copy of the Special Select Committee report on the Daylight Saving Bill from 1908. It's the first time the phrase daylight saving was used in relation to a proposal to set the clocks forward every spring.
This had been a passion project of the Surrey-born builder William Willett, who was the first to be questioned and who advanced arguments including the health benefits of sunlight, a reduction in energy consumption, and a hope that more daylight would reduce the use of licensed houses, that's pubs. On the opposing side, railway directors consulted as part of this committee argued that introducing a regular clock change would introduce confusion and danger onto the nation's railways, while many scientists objected to the introduction of irregularity into newly established world time zones. Throughout this report, one concept keeps coming back, which is the idea of true time. So the astronomer Sir David Gill neatly encapsulates the problem. Are people, he asked, to be cheated into getting up early in the morning, or are they to get up honestly earlier? In other words, is the clock a scientific instrument, or is it something we can fiddle around with?
We had, in fact, been fiddling around with it for some time, ever since the introduction of railway time in the UK in 1847. This had established Greenwich Mean Time across the UK's railways, where it sat uneasily alongside a hodgepodge of local times. Going by the sun, Bristol, for example, has always been 10 minutes behind London.
This Select Committee report ultimately did very little to settle the question of daylight saving in Britain, which had to wait until 1917 in the middle of the First World War.
By that point, however, the argument seemed to have been won. As electrical clock pioneer Frank Hope Jones wrote in 1940, Willett taught us that time should be the servant of man.